guys, welcome back to another episode of What's Up in the Woods. Today I'm going to be showing you guys, I have some stuff here I'm going to be unboxing, and this is stuff you guys are going to see in a video a little bit later. This will be a survival challenge slash fishing that you guys will be seeing. I'll post it here, I don't know when, I'm still working on it. But let's dig into this stuff. So let's go with this box right here first. So in this box, I actually forget what I ordered in this box. Survival stuff, I'm pretty sure. Alright, so in this box right here, we have, oh, now I remember. Okay, so we've got some Googan baits. Some of those. Some of those. We got some hand warmers. And then we just have a variety of fishing hooks in there. You can probably see better on the back. There you go. So that's all that was in this box. This is the box I'm really excited about. I love bait casters, as you guys know. And this is a new bait caster reel. This is a bait casting rod right here, real short. Nice, pretty flimsy at the end, as you can see. So I got this rod right here, and I just bought this. This is a brand new, I got this off of Amazon a few days ago. This is my brand new bait casting reel. There it is. So we're gonna crack into this puppy and see what we got in here. Looks really nice. So set that box right there. So this is the right-handed. I am right-handed, so I'll use the right-handed casting reel. Oh, that's nice. So this reel I bought, so it sets on this rod, just like, it's a little longer reel than the last one we had on here. Gotta spin this out a little bit. Tighten it back up there. That's really nice. We got the old, I like this short rod. This is a really nice short rod. So, I'm actually going to spool this up with line right now. So, really nice rod, if you can see that right there. You've got your reel, just a nice little short rod, splits in half. Put it. I'm really impressed with that. That's a really nice rod. So, I will see you guys when we get ready to spool up the line. Alright guys, got my tackle box. Right here, we're going to open it up in the line spot. I know you guys know that I'm a braid guy. I love braid so much, and that's why I'm using braid. This is 8-pound test. I like more than 8, but just something I have laying around, just short time use here. This line right here. So we're going to spool this guy up. Get him all spooled up. Gotta find a spot to put my knife. So I'm gonna set this like this. This is a spool, again, 8-pound test braid. If I were you and you're fishing for largemouth, I'd go more than 8-pound tests, but this is kind of what I have right now, so this is what we're using right now. So, there's a lot of ways you can spool line. I just do it the old, easy, original way. You just stick it in between your legs like this. I like to just set it on the ground and let it run out. Whoops, dropped the line. And then you have to make sure you're on. This reel right here, all spooled up.